Good morning, everybody. My student ID is 4224481, and now I will describe my coursework, which is Big Data and Database Management System, Big Data and Database, and where I have done the SQL environment, created SQL environment, and Power BI, and how I have solved the issues and how I implemented the records per table and how does my entity diagram looks like. So let's start with my SQL Server. So I have used mm, here I have used the LSBO manufacturing database as a main database for my coursework, and here you can see all the tables are ready. And if let me just show you my database diagram as I have done the coding over here, and this is the server where I have connected the SQL server to my code implementation, and this is my actual database diagram where you can see every single table without the records, but everything is working, and the primary key and the foreign key for the primary foreign key and the connection between the tables. I have done the ERD diagram, which is entity relationship diagram, where you can see it more better and more clearly. And let me just jump to my report, then you can see it properly. So this is my report. This is the cover page, and this is the table of contents. Then introduction, where I have put the basic ideas and which topics I'm gonna be doing. And uh, after that, number two is the system requirements and analysis, like how the connection is working and how every single tables like every single requirements is working. As like the requirements will be for my project, the requirements is department, employees, machines, and their management, how the products working, how the manufacturing process, then operators, then trade union regulations, maintenance tracking, yeah, and the shifts as well. Yeah. So I have shortly briefed them in a few lines. So that's what it is. And then after that, the database isn't the main thing. Like third main thing for the project, the entity relationship model or diagram, ERD. So where the department, employee, product, operator, maintenance, and production is working. And this is the database design which I have showed you previously before I coming to the report. And then this is my just a sec. This is my entity relationship diagram, ERD or ERM, where every single like primary key and foreign key and the relationship between the one table to another table, one to one and one to many, is showing properly and easily. It's easy to recognize and describe. After this, the SQL implementation. The first thing to do the assignment or the coursework is the table creation, and now it's over here. Though at first I have created the tables and I have given the snippets. This is the department table and then employees table. After this machine table, where I have used the like the active maintenance and ideal three sector for the machine, and then for foreign key, primary key, references, and other uh, constraint and other departments I have put over here. Then operators, one by one, I have given every single snippets for the tables. After this, the stored procedure and the triggers, I have just handwritten. I have given the handwritten provide code because like it's kind of like I have to give it when I need that structure. So it will be recorded over here. So it's nothing else than data insertion and testing, where I have put 20 records each table, and you can see the first two table and one half. So over for the departments, it's very long, so I could manage a small snippet. So that's why I put this one. So you can see over here the ideas over here, and the business intelligence dashboard, the BI dashboard. So I have done it in another PC or where the Power BI is installed, but in this PC it's not working, so I can't show you at the moment. But this one I can describe you. Let's just run through it. So the first one is department overview, or like how many employees per department is working, and that how many salaries are going per department. It's showing on this side. The blue one is for the employees per department, and then the total salary by department. It's the yellow one, and this is the employee numbers in the left hand, and then the below to the right, it's the design, production, and maintenance. The department section is the same for the yellow. The left down to top is the top salary, and I described a little bit over here. And then sales analysis. Uh, the fluctuations shows that the sales revenue per month of a year, and it's describing like how like the top selling products and the like how many profits we are gaining, and which is profitable and which is going down the business, like which section is down. So it's showing the thing, and I have given a small description of this one as well. And then machine monitoring. For this one, I have used one graph and as well as one pie chart, like where you can see the active maintenance ideal, as I created the section for the table, and the same thing is over here as well. And I have separated them with the color green for the active, to red for the maintenance, and gray for the ideal. And for the maintenance events per machine, the graph is showing that like how many maintenance records are going on per machine, like which machine is going through maintenance per sectors, like how many numbers is it. And then I have showed it over here. And then the production insight, like which how many units are produced for the lathe, cutter, and press, which machine is producing what, and like what is the uses of that. And then production records as well by the operator, which operator is production is more, and like per shift, and it's showing over here. And then the product profitability, where I have separated them with two color. One is for yellow, which is manufacturing cost, and the blue is product sales price. So uh, the fluctuation or the rising impact shows the main profitability, and which is very good, really good thing for a manufacturing limited company. And then I have described it over here, and the challenges and solution is just a little bit whatever I have done over here and try to optimize. So after that conclusion, well, and future enhancement, where whatever I can put over here, and what how can they more i- improve their sectors. So that's why I've just written a small conclusion, as my words are almost nearly finished. So, and this is the video demonstration. I'll put my URL over here, and this is the references and the bibliography. I tried to put some um, uh, basic and most important bibliography and references in it. So, thank you so much. That's all.